In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change Instagram currency. You can simply change your currency and get orders on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the profile page, tap on these three lines right here. On this page, select this option of Meta Verified. Select the option of payments right here. Tap on this option and select payment methods. On this page, tap on Get Started. Then you will have to select right here to choose any currency of your own choice. You can only choose once and any selected currency can't be changed. Your selected currency will also appear on your shared products and get orders. That's how easy it is to change to any currency on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.